Mr. Xufeng has been in the industry since 1988. By the year 2001, we moved to new industry zone in Wuxi and were renamed as Wuxi Xufeng Door Industry Manufacturing Company Limited. The workshop occupies an area of 20,000 square meter and enjoys convenient transportation. As professionally engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of garage door, roller shutter, industrial doors, and so on, Xufeng Door is always a professional company in this field in China. By 2018, we were awarded as National Export Demonstration Base of Garage Door and Industrial Door by CCMSA. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 and CE certificates. Conducting big construction projects around China, our products are also exported to clients in regions as Europe, North and South America, Australia, East Asia, and so on, almost every corner of the world. We also welcome ODM and OEM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can always talk to us about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to bring us innovation and creativity and establish long-term cooperation with us.
If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.